Let us now turn to Jalaluddin Rumi for his wise guidance. I will recite first the original Persian and then the English translation. I ask that you close your eyes and listen with your heart. نوبت وصل و لقاست، نوبت حشر و بقاست، نوبت لطف و عطاست، بحر صفا در صفاست. درج عطا شد پدید، غره دریا رسید، صبح سعادت دمید، صبح چه نور خداست. صورت و تصویر کیست؟ این شه و این میر کیست؟ این خرد پیر کیست؟ این همه روپوش هاست. چاره روپوش ها هست چنین جوش ها، چشمه این جوش ها در سر و چشم شماست. در سر خود پیچ لیک هست شما را دو سر، این سر خاک از زمین وان سر پاک از سماست. ای پس سرهای پاک ریخته در پای خاک، تا تو بدانی که سر زان سر دیگر به پاست. آن سر اصلی نهان وان سر فرعی عیان، دان که پس این جهان عالم بی منتهاست. مشک ببند ای سقا می نبرد خون به ما، کوزه ادراک ها تنگ از این تنگناست. از سوی تبریز تافت شمس حق و گفتمش، نور تو هم متصل با همه و هم جداست. It's time for union, face to face. It's time for uprising and immortality. It's time for tenderness and benevolence. The sea of light is luminous and undimmed. A royal decree has emerged, proclaiming abundance and generosity. The ocean's roar can be heard. Good fortune has dawned, and it is not merely a morning, it is the light of the divine. What are these images? Whose are these faces? Who is this king, this ruler? Who is this ancient wisdom? There are so many veils. The cure for the veils are upheavals and eruptions such as these. The wellspring of these waters is in your head and in your eyes. Turn around in your head, but know that you have two heads. One earthly one made of soil, and a pure one from the sky. So many pure heads have fallen to the ground, so that you may know that this head exists by the virtue of the other head. The true essential head is hidden, and this minor one is manifest. Know that beyond this world is the realm of the infinite. Now place the lid on the cask, O water bearer, for our jugs can take no more. Our perceptions are constricted from living in this constricted world. Shams, the light of truth, shone out of Tabriz, and to him I said, your light is connected with everyone and at the same time singular.